Hey guys, so today I am going to be installing this pink synthetic wig that I got from Amazon. I'll include a clip with all of the information of the packaging and everything. Okay, I just wanted to give you guys a fair warning that the first few minutes of this video is going to be out of focus, as you guys can see. This was my first time setting up at this angle, so just a fair warning, you may want to skip ahead, or if you can tolerate it, watch through, but it is going to be a little out of focus here. So here I'm just going to be flipping the lace back off of my skin. So right now I'm going to apply a layer of the Got To Be Freeze Spray all across my hairline or my skin where I want to lay that wig down at. Okay, once I put down the layer of freeze spray, I'm going to pull the lace down on top of that, making sure I have it directly where I want my wig to be laying across my hairline, just lining everything up, kind of pushing it down into that hairspray. And then once I get it lined up where I need it to be, I'm going to go ahead with my blow dry on cool, and I'm just going to let that freeze spray dry into the lace. Okay, once that kind of dries, I'm going to go in with my second layer of freeze spray, but this time I am going to be sectioning off my hair. Normally, if you were to do baby hairs, this would be the baby hair portion of your wig, but I'm not going to be doing baby hairs for this install. But just to kind of give you guys an idea of what section I'm parting out, because I'm kind of out of frame here, trying to make sure I'm in the mirror parting that in the right area. But once I've parted that area out, I'm going to take my freeze spray and I'm going to spray it directly into that part. This is just going to further adhere the wig down to my head. Okay, as soon as I finish spraying on that layer of freeze spray, I am going to just press it in a little bit with my comb, and I'm going to flip that section of hair right back over, and you're going to see me combing that lace into that hairspray a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more hairspray down on the ear tabs, and then again I'm just going to go back in with the blow dry on cool just to make sure that this really does set in. And I wanted to turn around and show you guys that this wig is very full and very soft, but I also wanted to let you guys know that it does come with like a slight bend in it from the way that it is packaged, but that can easily be flat ironed out. So when I cut my wigs, I don't cut straight across, but sometimes trying to do the zigzag motion with the scissors gives me the illusion of the straight across look as well. So it does not always work for me, but what seems to work best for me is if I take my scissors and just snip piece by piece, just do little snips, it gives the illusion of the zigzag motion. So here I decided to leave this clip in. I always have trouble cutting the ear tabs on my wig. I'm never comfortable. I always get too scared that I'm going to miss and cut out too much hair. So I'm just letting you guys see here where I'm kind of stumbling on the ear tabs a bit. So this is the key to completely melting in that lace to your skin. You want to take a rat tail comb and some freeze spray. Spray the freeze spray directly on the rat tail comb with your blow dryer on cool and press that freeze spray into the lace, and you can see that it immediately just melts and is not just sitting on your forehead. So here I'm showing you the reason why I say spray it on the rat tail comb, because if you try to spray it directly on the lace, it's going to get messy. It's going to get all over your skin and if you have on makeup and all over the lace in the wrong section. So just using the rat tail comb, just make sure that you get the exact pieces of lace that you're trying to melt in. This is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just taking my facial powder that is my skin color and I am putting it into the part of the lace. One kind of con about this wig is the parting space is not that deep. So in order to make the illusion of it being deeper, I just take my powder and I just put it back a little bit further, and it makes it look like I have a longer part. So because this is a synthetic wig, you can only use heat up to a certain temperature. I can't use my hot comb. So in order to get the wig a little bit flatter at the top, what I do is I take some freeze spray, spray that in my hand, and then I'll hold it on my wig at the top for a few seconds. And that kind of just presses it down so it doesn't have any humps or lumps up top. And then I'm going to be taking some alcohol just to wipe away any of that extra shiny freeze spray that's on my skin. Because as you can see, this is just very awkward. So I'm just going to take that alcohol, clean it up. And then because I had on makeup while I applied my wig, this freeze spray ran and it kind of messed up my makeup. So here you just see me going back in and applying some powder to those patches that kind of rubbed off. So for the next few seconds, this part doesn't really pertain to the wig, but I just wanted to show you guys when we use freeze spray to apply wigs and we have on foundation and makeup, it does mess up your makeup. So I'm just showing you how I quickly fix that without having to take off all of my makeup and restarting the process all over. If you don't want to see, you can just skip a few seconds, but I wanted to leave these clips in there just in case if you guys were wondering. This is really random, but I decided to record this video while I was visiting my grandmother, and I left my flat iron at home, so I went to her neighbor's. I know the girl that lives next door. She had a flat iron, but the flat iron wasn't really heating up. I tried turning it up to different temperatures, but it just didn't get warm, so the flat iron didn't straighten this wig at all. But I have straightened this wig on a different day with my flat iron, and this wig does straighten out bone straight. So do not let this clip fool you. This wig can get bone straight if you want it, and also you can use a flat iron to put curls in it, so it is very versatile to be a synthetic wig. I decided to try something a little different by leaving two little fringe pieces out in the front. I really like that look with the hair tucked to the back. Here I just wanted to show you guys that I hope that none of my tracks were showing because this wig is big head friendly, so it's very big for me in the back. So I was hoping that you couldn't see a bulk or the tracks back there. But again, I'm showing that that wave is still in there because our flat iron was not working. But I absolutely love the wig. It was super soft, a different color for me, but I really enjoyed it. So I'm just going to finish my makeup, put on my lipstick, and then get the full look for you guys. I really enjoyed this look. It was just a spur of the moment buy from Amazon. The wig came out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you did like it, please leave me a like, comment, and I'll have more videos out soon. So please remember to subscribe. Bye.